So welcome to today's class of English grammar. Today's question is take down today's question. Choose and write the correct words to complete the following sentences. The first one is vegetable oils are made dash seeds and fruits. Made from, right? So you'll have to write down over here from. Okay, and option C is the correct option from this. Okay, next what is the question? We went on a picnic dash the seashore. Okay, we went to a picnic so correct option is option B. Okay, now moving towards the option B is the correct option. Moving towards the third part. Okay, take down the question. The room was empty, there was dash. So what is the correct option? Noon. Okay, A is the correct option. You all can even write down here N-O-O-N-E. Okay, here also I hope you all have written. And the fourth part is we should always do dash duty honestly. Okay, our duty, O-U-R. Okay, option D is the correct option from this. So I hope you have understood how to do this, and thanks for watching. So like this way I will be giving you all more in the next class.